You're listening to Life with DJ Sessions right here on WCSUFM.org.
All right, welcome back to Life with DJ Sessions. My NMLS number is 271823. Today we're going to talk a little bit about renovation financing. I had discussed renovation financing as far as different programs back on episode 6, I believe. Today I'm going to take it a step further, mainly because I'm getting a lot of requests for that information. I know with the state of real estate today, there is still a lack of inventory. I'm here in the Midwest, so we've got housing stock that's most of it on average is over 50 years old. And you're going to find that in your Midwest and your northern eastern states. I know some of the southern states in the United States, you've got a lot of newer homes and a lot of new development. So I wanted to kind of go through, it's called a maximum mortgage worksheet. And really and I know for viewers who are watching this on YouTube channel, please like and subscribe. If you are listening to it on the radio, you're not going to really be able to see, but I'm not sure I'm going to put a visual up, but I'm going to go through these things line by line. And really, this is just so some people get an idea of what it all takes and what goes all into when you're looking to renovate a property, and whether that's to purchase it or to refinance, right? So it all starts with the loan to value. And I want to kind of keep it simple in the sense of, if I purchase a property for, let's say, $100,000, or I owe $100,000 and I want to do $100,000 of renovation, you literally just take the $100,000 plus the $100,000, that's $200,000, and your loan to value is going to be based on the loan type, right? So if I'm doing an FHA 203K, I've got to be at 96.5%. If you're doing a conventional, you got to be at 95%, right? So that's where we're going to start. And then we're going to do what they call, number 2 really is just kind of the as completed value. So in using that same example, if you're buying it for 100, you're doing 100,000 of renovation, that's 200,000. You're going to do a loan amount of, let's say 95%. The home has to be worth that 200,000 when all of the renovations are done. Okay. And so we're looking at sale price, pay off any transactions, any liens. And so here's kind of where it gets kind of gray, because some people forget that, there are some costs in regards to alterations, improvements, repairs. So you've got number 1, really you've got the hard costs, your labor costs, right? Your materials. Then we're going to also factor in the contingency reserve, right? There's also a reserve, right? Stuff goes wrong. I know we've got plans in place, but sometimes things don't go as expected. There's the architect or engineer fee, right? Sometimes they have a fee to put together some of these drawings for you. You have your consultant fee. I know on the FHA 203K, they're going to require an actual HUD consultant as well. And again, they're there to help make sure the checks and balances, everything does make sense. You've got then your additional inspections, right? You're doing all this work. You're going to have your inspection fees. You're also going to have your title updates, right? Title updates, permit costs, permits. And then you're going to have your reserves. Sometimes there's a program for, I believe it's on both the government and conventional. I don't quote me on that, where you can actually finance in 6 months reserves of your mortgage payment into your new loan. So that way, if you can't live there, right? That's also built in. You add all those things up, and again, like I mentioned earlier, we're going to do a loan amount either a 95% or 96.5%. So there's just kind of a quick little worksheet on, when you're looking to do this, make sure that you're kind of factoring in all of those things. This again has been another lesson in financial empowerment. Thank you again.
You're listening to Life with DJ Sessions. Special thanks goes to Wade Oberlin of OnOurOwnRadio.com, Charles Fox, K-Divas Music Media, and the BDG Network. For more lessons in financial empowerment, stay tuned right here on WCSUFM.org for more Life with DJ Sessions.